Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So one of the most frustrating NotebookLM issues happens when a source uploads successfully but NotebookLM seems unable to read it correctly. In other cases, a YouTube video imports but produces little information, fails to generate summaries, or refuses to work entirely. Fortunately, most source reading and YouTube import problems are caused by processing delays, transcript issues, unsupported content, or source quality limitations. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix NotebookLM not reading your source and a YouTube source not working in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, verify the source finished processing. Like before asking questions, make sure the source is fully processed. Like look for upload completed, not processing indicator, not error message. If processing is still ongoing, NotebookLM may not have access to the content yet, so wait until processing fully complete. Test whether NotebookLM can actually see the content, like ask a simple question such as what is this source about, summarize the source, what are the main topics. So if NotebookLM cannot answer basic questions, it likely failed to extract the contents properly. So simple test quickly reveal extraction problems. Check whether the source contains readable text. Like NotebookLM works best with searchable text. Like problematic sources include image-only PDF, scanned documents, screenshots, low-quality scans. If text cannot be highlighted or searched, NotebookLM may struggle to read it. Okay, so readable text produces better results. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.